Well, the cat is in the window. What do we got out there, weather cat? It looks pretty nasty. Let's take a look. So who invited you to the blizzard of 2010? 2011, I'm sorry. I thought I was in last year.
What, you got Alzheimer's?
Oh! Are we making any headway? That's the problem.
Come on out here, take a look.
Alright, let's take a look.
There's our cars.
That's Archer and Laverne.
Here's the street.
Yeah.
Look at that shit down there.
They're buried in real nicely. Nice day, huh?
Yeah, good picture.
It's terrible. We'll be a while here.
Just know.
Okay, let's see. That's toward Vidham Park. And that's toward 51st and Laverne, Archer and Laverne. Pretty messy. What'd you say?
I said, let's go jump in the car and film stuff.
I don't think so. It doesn't look by the ruts in here that.
Yeah, we could do it. We put one car on top of the other car.
Oh, okay, Mo.
Leap.
We could do that, Mo. All right, this is the house. Looks kind of nasty. I don't think we're going to be seeing lawn for a while.
Is it spring yet? Oh, the groundhog I think got killed.
No more groundhog.
In the store.
I can't say that groundhog got killed because maybe somebody believes in the groundhog.
Super sorry, maybe he just got buried alive.
Like Santa. Maybe he's just covered for the season.
There was no ground for him to come out of.
No, actually, he's digging his way out. The way
He's
I see
burrowing.
it. The way I see it. I think it's time for a cruise. I just got to get out of town.
I just gotta find another sidewalk. I know there's one here.
Wow.
Here. There's a sidewalk.
Okay. This is where a sidewalk's supposed to be.
You look for it. I found this one.
Yeah, I don't want to find a sidewalk. I don't care. All right, let's take a gander down the alley. Watch out for the infamous attack cat. Take a gander at what we have here. Pretty much plowed this up. And there's a snow shovel next to the pool. I don't think it looks like summertime, however. The infamous party tent. It survived for the most part. Except for we got a structural failure there. Nothing that can't be fixed. It just rattled a pole out. This is a gazebo with a hot tub, which is plowed to get to. Blew the cooler over there. And let's check this while we're at it. Whoa! Even the gazebo's full of snow. It blew up everywhere. Let's see if we got heat in the hot tub. Wow, looks like steam to me. Now the lens is frosted. Oh no, there we go. I think I'll be going in that after we get done here. Whew. This snow stuff is rough stuff. There's my lawn chair. And the sun is shining, but it's supposed to get down to below zero anyway. So, I'm going to make snow while the sun shines, as it were. Move snow. At least I still have some things intact. Put out some nuts and some sunflower seeds for the animals here that may not have any. We'll just see what happens from here. What do we got?
This is Denise Huffle. Denise Weiner. Strike that first part.
That's all right. You were
on the street reporting. stuck in the street as some poor guy. That could be us. If we were that bright.
Yeah, he's got a low rider little car too,
Yeah,
so.
he's in deep.
These ain't going.
These ain't going.
I found the fan that the stuff hit. It's underneath the tent.
The fan that the stuff hit.
Yeah, when they say that something's going to hit the fan.
Ah!
I found a fan.
I don't get it. Yeah, no.
And here's the stuff. We're sanitizing this for the airway.
Did you look in the hot tub?
Yeah.
It snowed in the hot tub.
It snowed in the hot tub.
That was amazing.
But so be it.
Want to go take a look at Archer?
We could trek, but I'm not leaving the snow blower sitting there. I still got to make a pass. So, anyway, temperature is going to be going down to about below 0. Wind chill's about minus 15 tonight. So
To 20, minus 20.
woo!
Yay!
That's extra points if you're good. But here's the deal.
We won't be able to film that because the lens will freeze.
Everything will freeze.
Like my cheeks right now.
Yeah.
Hair.
Slightly. Both sets.
Let's see if the guy got out of the street yet, Artie.
Let's go see.
Let's see.
No, it doesn't look like he's getting very far.
Oh, God. Poor bastard. Poor guy that completely blocked it off with a pile of snow.
Well,
Garbage guys are going to love that.
oh well. Not much to be done for it.
Nope.
This is, as you can see, 52nd and Laverne. And that's a good size. Through traffic prohibited, you think? Yeah, through traffic is not going to happen here for long.
Well, you know what, the Super Bowl Sunday coming, you got to...
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Not at all.
This is Super Snow.
Snowball.
Super Snow Bowl.
Wow. He's probably getting annoyed with us filming him.
You don't even know it, trust me.
Well, he's got to get back into wherever he came out of.
He's not having a good time of it. These ruts are easily almost a foot, maybe 9 to 10 inches spots. And don't get out of the rut.
Let's not see the same old ruts.
You're gonna see the same old ruts, but ain't gonna see that parked in it.
Hey, you know what? I got an idea.
Yeah, okay, this is behind Bohica's. He's able to plow out pretty good. These corner folks got it made here after they plowed out. But that's my alley right there. Doesn't look promising unless a big old trash truck comes down the sucker.
Garbage guys. Holy moly. Everybody's blowing in everybody else's yard.
Well, that's okay. You don't need the yard. I don't need my yard. If I could throw all the snow in it, I would. There's my garage. They just blew out a parking spot to get in and out of against the garage. Good idea. There's from the back of my house, the antennas.
God, if I had a truck, I'd go house to house and see if you want your alley paved. I mean,
But I don't have a truck.
oh, this is it. There's nowhere else to go.
That's it.
We're doomed.
That's the end of the line. Send a St. Bernard's and a barrel of brandy. Send 2 barrels of brandy.
Make that 3.
Make that 3 barrels of brandy. All you could do is laugh. That's all you could do.